Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art. And for today's video, since 2023 is here, I wanted to focus a few videos on how to make money as an artist. But in this particular video, I'm going to focus on passive income and print-on-demand websites. So these are the ones that I personally use, and I'm just going to stick to the ones that are free. For the most part, all you have to do is upload your own artwork. And when someone buys your artwork from those particular sites, they get a cut and you get a percentage of a royalty from them, since they do all the shipping, packaging, and all the materials, and you don't have to do anything. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. So one of the reasons I wanted to create this video is that because we as artists, we're always trying to find a way to be creative, but also hopefully financially gain from it as well. And the potential to earn money is always there. And hopefully these videos will help you inspire to just go out there and put your work out there as well. And hopefully people will like it, people will see it, and you have the potential to earn some extra cash on the side, because we all have something different to offer, and this is one step to do so. And I'm very excited to show what I'm working on and my latest drawings and my latest projects. And these videos hopefully will inspire people to follow their passion and not worry about making mistakes, because that's all part of learning. So let's get to it. So for the first one, this one is called Redbubble. So this is how Redbubble works. Artists open a Redbubble shop and upload designs. You find a design you love on a product you want, artists get paid, and you get something in return. And this is essentially how all of these print-on-demand websites work. And all you do is upload your design with the measurements that each site requires, and that's it. Alright, so here's a quick look at my page on Redbubble. So I'm going to my account, manage portfolio, and here you can see all my collections of everything that I've done. And these are mainly my Mexican culture inspired drawings, paintings, graphic design, and patterns. And then I can actually go to my shop. So here's the dashboard of my website, the front view of the store, and it's really easy to look and filter through different categories. Now Redbubble is one of the first ones that I ever used, and I actually started experimenting with my artwork, especially my Mexican culture inspired artwork, where if you go actually to my YouTube section in one of the playlists, I have an entire section dedicated to my Mexican heritage, and this one I decided to focus on things that I can turn into patterns and also single drawings and single subjects. And this made it a lot easier for me to go ahead and resize and upload those dimensions onto not only Redbubble, but also all these other websites that I'm going to be talking about. Now for my second favorite website that's really easy to use is called Society6. Now we're just gonna go to my shop and view shop. But you can also go to earnings, referrals, orders, and manage your own posts. So let's look at my shop. And you can also filter this with many different categories like wall art, furniture, home decor, bed, bath, tabletop, office, and tech. So all of your things, all of your artwork, I have it at random and also most popular. But this is all the stuff that shows up in front of your store. So there's many different pages. So a lot of these e-commerce print-on-demand shops will work the same. Just upload your artwork and choose which products you want your art to be on, and also just all you have to do is resize them. And if you're into pattern making, I do have a video coming up soon on the steps and process on how that goes. Now for my last one, this one is called Spreadshirt. This one's another simple print-on-demand website to easily put your artwork on. There's many different things like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, stationery, folders, and art print as well. So we're gonna go to my designs right here. And these are all my designs that I have. And as you notice that all of my artwork is on all of these 3 different sites that we've mentioned. And as you notice that I've been using all of my artwork throughout all 3 of these print-on-demand sites, and it's really easy to do as long as you resize them, you give them a proper title, and also you put in the proper keywords in order for people to find them online. Now, although this video was brief and it just touched up on some of those websites that I use, I will be going into depth with Redbubble, which is one of the ones that I first started using, and what the process is from beginning to end on how to upload your artwork from digital to traditional and anything in between, and the process that I use to get my stuff on there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and more of these types of videos are on the way. And comment down in the section below if you want to see more of any type of money making potential type of opportunities that you guys want to hear. I do link everything that I use here on YouTube and also in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you later. Bye.